This color, pink color.
Oh, pink color. No wonder.
Yeah, atomic lipstick. Normally for cheek, blusher, powder. The powder blusher make our face dry.
Yeah.
So only here or here dry. That make the wrinkle, small wrinkle. So I always use lipstick for my cheek. So I will show you like this. After that, this is
so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Where do you get that from? Azamo?
No, Daiso. You know? You know Daiso?
I know.
Yeah. This is
Avocado.
물방울 모양. Water drop shape.
Water drop.
Yeah, you know the what? Instead of this. What name is this?
Puff.
Oh yeah, puff. Yeah, water drop shape puff in Daiso. After that, okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very natural.
Natural.
Yeah, I always use like this with lipstick and this puff. Yeah, really.
They not brush. So the brush.
Not brush. Yeah, brush also make our face right.
Dry.
Not mean dry. 자극적인. Insensitive.
Insensitive.
Sensitive. Irritate
the skin.
Yeah, the blusher tip very sharp.
Oh.
The what? Brush tip. Brush tip very sharp. So that make our cheek scar.
Oh.
Very small scar. We cannot see but have. Yeah, irritate. So I always use this from Daiso, and I always use for cheek, or sometimes use like this.
Oh,
so cute.
Yeah. After that.
Yeah.
Oh.
But your face also looks very shining. Shining, is it because you're using the cushion foundation?
Yeah. Not just cushion foundation. You know this?
The latest one, is it?
Yeah. This is Atomy Gold Collagen Ampoule Cushion. Gold collagen. This include gold powder and collagen ampoule. Really big amount. Cannot compare other brand. So many brand also they said, oh, our powder, our cushion also include collagen like that. But that include very small amount. But at Tommy, put in big amount collagen ampoul and gold powder. So it really good. But I always use like this. Cannot like this. If I use this puff with collagen ampoul cushion, then I feel too thick. So I use like this. This is little bit different shape from Daiso. This is round. This is cutting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I only put here puff with in the puff, and I use
Like that.
yeah.
Oh.
Then very natural and shining and white. Yeah. Really
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why your face looks shining.
Shining, yeah.
In the
Actually, I never fix again. Only in the morning makeup until now. Register. I maintain long lasting, really long lasting. This collagen ampoule cushion. Long
It's the latest
lasting.
one, isn't it? The latest one. It is the latest one that came out.
Latest one. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Gold collagen ampoule cushion. Really nice. And with this lipstick for cheek. Yeah, really natural. Yeah.
This Gold Collagen Ampoule foundation, it is more natural than the other cushion foundations.
Yeah,
so
right. But the other cushion foundation, more cover power. This collagen ampoule cushion, less cover power, but more natural. Really good. Yeah, I like this. Like this.
I have a question. If people were to ask, nowadays, like even the Absolute Ampoule series, with the four types of ampoule.
Synergy ampoule.
Yeah. So one of them has got gold powder also in the ampoule. So if a person were to ask, we are putting gold onto our skin, is it okay? Because gold cannot dissolve, isn't it?
Gold makes some electronic power. That gold electronic power remove our skin, inside skin, and that make collagen more. Yeah. And after put on our face, the gold we think almost gone. Some observe, some break.
It's not going to block our pores, because when we think of gold, we think of gold as a metal. Not like the gold that we wear. Yeah, it's a type of metal.
Not metal. Yeah, there's very special technology in there. Yeah, not metal. Yeah. Sometimes we eat the gold, right?
That's why.
Never
The,
seen before.
no?
Gold is good for our health. So
Really?
yeah, in Korea, make cake and spread gold powder, and we
Wow.
take.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because over in Malaysia, we think that if we eat gold, we will die. that's why. That's why when they hear our toothbrush, the bristle is made of fine gold powder. So that's why they said, oh, as I brush, if the gold powder start to dissolve inside my mouth, then they said I'm poisoning myself.
No,
Yeah.
gold is good for our health.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's really good for our big wrinkle, the
Uh-huh.
synergy ampoule. Yeah, and synergy ampoule, EGF and gold ppm amount ppm very 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 high. So the Dubai people or Egypt people, so many people buy already atomic synergy ampoule
Mm,
because
yeah.
because other very similar quality and like synergy ampoule, one ampoule price 2,000 ringgit over.
Mm. Just
Mm.
one small one.
One small one.
Wow.
What just small one, same ppm. That ppm 300k ppm.
Mm.
300k ppm. Normally ampoule include only 3,000 or 30,000 only. But
Wow.
atomic synergy ampoule 300k ppm. Very high amount. So similar ppm and similar quality ampoule, one bottle 2,000 ringgit over. But atomic synergy ampoule only uh,
Yeah.
100 ringgit, about 100
Yeah.
ringgit. Yeah, one
Yeah.
one bottle.
Yeah. The whole box is a 400 over.
Yeah, so many rich people or rich people's friends really want to buy atomic synergy ampoule. That is special care. Mm, really good. And I always use this
Oh.
for every skincare cosmetic. Actually, this device, this device for this is Atomy Skin Booster. This skin booster is really good. This is medical device. Medical device. As you know, N companies galvanic or another skin device, home device for home. But this device, medical device. So very, very powerful. Last time I already used galvanic from N, you know, N, yeah, and uh, yeah, as you know, N company, the networking company, you don't know. Anyway, galvanic, the device I already have. But that is really weak, very weak, because that for home care. But atomic device, medical device. The model is medical. So very powerful. So atomic make this for synergy ampoule, because synergy ampoule include very high amount. So observe very slow. So we need to this device. This device can make observe very deep and the efficient more and more when compared to tapping. At least 100 times 100 times compared to tapping. If you use this, observe and come out efficient 100 times compared to tapping. Over 100 times, over at least 100 times compared to tapping. So I always use this in the morning, at night, even though I didn't use Synergy Ampoule. So when I wash my face and apply toner and ampoule and eye cream and nutrition cream, and after that I use this every time in the morning and night. Then that observe more deeply and make efficient better. Yeah, better and better. So this device is really good. So sometimes someone want to apply here or here for cellulite cream. Then that cellulite cream size also very big, so cannot work. Yeah, but if you when you apply cellulite cream with this, you can make cellulite cream absorb deeply and better efficient. So this is really good, but cheaper than home care device. Cheaper, yeah. Even though this cannot compare with home care device, because this, if you use this, you can see this power. Maybe you surprised, frightened. Yeah, really powerful medical device. Yeah, and I love this. I really love this Atomy shower head. I really love, because in Korea also old apartment uh not good water condition, but not good water condition make our skin dirty and sensitive and older like that, and so on. Not only skin, but also our health, harmful our health, not good water. Yeah, we don't know what include in our water. Maybe pollution or heavy metal or germ, virus, like that. Yeah. So before use this, I don't know what include our shower water. But after use this filter say to me, our water include very dirty thing. In here, have filter. Yeah. Many people ask to me, how long can change this filter? But I don't know. Different water condition. Your house water condition bad, then you need to change fast. This say, if your water condition bad, this filter turn into black. Yeah, so you can see here, if you change black or dirty brown, then you can change. And not only filtering, but also Atomy shower head give you vitamin C. This is vitamin bar. This vitamin bar, water here, filtering, and go out. Before go out, mix the vitamin. This vitamin bar level, food level vitamin C. You can eat. Yeah, very clean, very high quality vitamin C. And as you know, Atomy vitamin C have high technology. Usually, normal vitamin C is weak to heat and water and acid. But Atomy vitamin C is stronger than other normal vitamin C. So even though you take a shower with hot water, that vitamin C work very well, not break. And this plastic also what strong hot water, you know. I
Can stand hot water.
Yeah, you
And
can stand.
can withstand hot water.
Yeah, can stand hot water and no environment hormone, you know. Environment hormone.
Environment hormone.
That
I cannot explain about that. BPA free.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. PCTA. So BPA free. Very strong hot water. Very high quality plastic. High technology, high quality plastic. Yeah. So you can take a shower hot water. The filter work very well, and vitamin C work very well. And design also very pretty.
Wow.
Really good. But cheap. So many Indonesian, Philippines, Malaysia use for shower what 정수기. Purifier. Water purifier. Many Indonesian, Malaysian, Filipino, Taiwan, Chinese use water purifier for shower water. But that is very expensive. But this is really cheap. Cheaper compared with that.
How much is it in Malaysian ringgit?
How
many one is it?
Wait a minute. 130 ringgit.
Oh.
Yeah, very reasonable price, right? Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it.
What about that medical thing that you said just now? The medical
Device.
Is that very expensive since it's so powerful?
Normally my another end company home care device 750 ringgit. Yeah, but this 560 ringgit. Yeah, really stronger than that home care device. Really cannot compare. I already both of it. Yeah, experience, but really strong because this is medical model. Yeah, but cheaper than home care device. And this charge here with the cell phone charge.
USB.
Like this. Same charge. Yeah, very convenient. Okay, my lecture finish. Can any question?
I have a question. The cushion just now. Yeah, that one. Is it sticky? After
Not really sticky, but yeah, moisturizing.
So not matte.
Yeah, not matte like powder. Different feel with powder.
Does me have like matte finishing? Because if I go to work, I have to wear mask. So sometimes there's a stain on the mask.
Yeah.
It's good if I wear without wearing mask, but go out must wear mask now.
Yeah, me also. I always wear the masks, and this also on the mask some, but my face also say makeup situation. Yeah, not break.
Okay. So don't need matte finishing.
Yeah, not matte.
What about the AA Cushion Foundation? Is that matte? No.
AA Cushion Foundation cover power more.
So would that stick to the mask? Is there any of Atomy's foundation or any skincare product that after we use it won't stick to the mask?
BB cream. If you don't want to stick on your mouth, you can use BB cream. Yeah, BB cream is really good, long lasting.
It won't
Stick on the
stick to
mask or stick on the mouth? On the mask.
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 Yeah, BB cream also good, but I really like this better because this more moisture.
Yeah. That's why lately you can see your face is like more glowing.
Yeah,
Yeah, compared to last time. Yeah.
last time,
Yeah. I mean, slightly more glowing. So I
last
thought this.
time I actually last week and the other last week I removed all my makeup.
No, I'm talking about maybe 2 years ago when I first met you.
In Malaysia.
Yeah.
I
Like
see.
your skin as though it has improved.